Okay, so I wanted to give a brief introduction to how to start up your Flash project. Okay, this is Adobe Flash Professional CS 5.5, and this is really pretty simple to start up. Really, there's a lot of different features that we can do within Flash, and I'm only going to go over the basic things with this particular tutorial. But what we do to start up is we start up the application and then click on the ActionScript 3 document, because this is what we'll be using for most of our work. So you click on this, and I just also wanted to give a brief overview of the whole environment. Okay, and what we have here is something that is seemingly, it looks like other Adobe tools, but some of the tools work very, very differently, and it's something to pay attention to in the way it works. Doing an overview right now, we have the properties area, which this gives us information about what is going on the stage, which that's what this white area is, and the stage is everything that will be seen within the particular movie that you're making. Okay. The next over here is the tool palette, and you see there's some familiar tools possibly if you're familiar with Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator or tools similar to that. And I'll explain this a little bit later. Next is the timeline, okay, and this is where we will be putting our graphics and giving them giving them time, more or less. Over here is our library, which stores our clips and the things that we make on the stage. And then we have alignment and some info about the where we are in the space on the stage, and some other options for working with the objects. Okay. Also down here we have color choices similar to Photoshop, and then also of course the palette. We can work with it this way. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, and on to the next one.